All right, for today's delivery, we have 6,800 gallons of 87. I have them split up in compartment 1, 2, 3, and 5, and then 1,700 gallons of premium 93 RFG. Have my my premium tank right here with the vapor recovery, as well as my 87 tank right here and the vapor recovery. And this is Citgo branded gas. So at Citgo gas station, so I'm at the right stop. Check the location, the delivery on the store. Then, as well as make sure you load the right product, write it down, you do your labels, make sure you have everything you need, have everything right here, RFG, Citgo, the gallons. Now, just got to set everything up. Put my cones out. I'm over here in a corner, so nothing can get behind me. Well, at least hope, but still put a little cone back here where this tank will be. And then start my setup. Open everything I need that's to open. All right, I need this. All right, so here is one of my vapor recovery. They have that closed off, so that one should be, I guess they only have one that I need to have operated. Yep. All right, got that. It's a tough one. Get my I might as well bring my vapor recovery connection. Just this one. Next, I need to get my meter stick and put my paste on it to do my level test and make sure it has no water. So paste. Here's the paste. And I have to stick each tank 93. I normally do first because these tanks aren't that big. All right, this one is pretty empty. We are at 5. We are at 5 inches. $87. We are higher right there. 32 inches. I don't know if y'all can really see it in the dark. 32 inches and 5. I'm gonna write that down in paperwork so I remember, do my calculations. So 5. Alright, wrote those down. And then need to, this is 10,000 size tanks. Have no live eulogy, so I have to go to my tank charts. 10,005, I'm good with that. And then I am good with my other number. Yeah, all right. Now I am going to connect my vapor recovery since everything will fit. Let some of that. Nothing's coming out. That's good. Now we are ready for no pressure built up in here. It will fly off. Pressure built up. Let me see if there's pressure in here. Move that stick out the way. No pressure built up. Vapor recovery connecting. Alright, vapor recovery. It's connected. I'm gonna drop this 87 since I have so much of it. Gonna need the longest hose I have for that one. Put this under. Actually, I'm gonna put it over top because I'm going to need to empty this. That one had pressure built up. Move it up some. Alright, 87. We are locked on. I don't want it too much pressure on the vapor recovery. So, biggest tank I'm gonna do first. All right. So, like I said, 87 white first tank connected to the 87 tank back there, as well as RFG vapor recovery. This is 87 RFG. Going to make sure on my bills there was no meaningful unloading instructions. Yep, we're good there. And then inside of my tablet, yep, we're good there. So I'm gonna start dropping it. It's locked, it's connected, everything is open, connected, and it's time to fill up. It'll fit. All right, got that going. No leaks. Now I'm gonna do this premium. This knocked out the way. Premium. Locked. right, premium, red, premium. All right, got that connected. And now I just wait to finish. Then I'll show y'all after I finish to what you got to do, restick, write everything down, clean up. So yeah, this is a pretty easy setup at this gas station. All right, everything is completely done and dropped. All compartments are empty. 87 was a close call, but we got it done. And now make sure that all of the product is out of the hoses before I take them out, get every drop out. For these long hoses, have to empty it twice. Let the air get out of there. Straps. Back. 30. And here that the tank is empty. Strap. And just have to write down my measurements, hand a copy to, leave a copy to the gas station, and then going for my next stop. So this was a quick little Citgo delivery. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure to like. If you got any questions, comment, and subscribe to my channel.